Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna take a look at Night on the Commodore 64. It's a single screen platformer for one player, released in 2021, so it's a more modern 8-bit game, and this game came out first actually on the MSX in 2019. So let's see if we can get anywhere. So what I play is this yellow dude here, and I need to fill up all this ground in order to get key so I can advance to the next stage. And I have to stay away from the skeletons, because if I touch them it will result in instant death. So here we go. Oops. So I play this with my controller. So one button is for jumping. That is always a plus, that I don't have to use my D-pad. And here is the key, and my time limit is up to the center. Let's jump down here. It is stage clear, no problem. And there are 80 stages in total in this game. That is pretty massive actually. I have never played this game on the MSX, so I cannot compare it. This gives me protection, I think. So if I touch the skeleton, I will not die immediately. So that is always... I believe so, I'm not 100% sure. So now, just wait for the skeleton in the middle here and jump down here. There you go. No problem. So I have 3 lives in total here, but I believe there is possibilities to get extra lives, but I don't know. So please comment in the comment section if you know anything about this game, and teach me. So let's jump down here. We have a yellow enemy up on top, and he will shoot at me, so like that. So I have to stay away from his firing here. Whee! Okay, there is the whip. Stage clear, no problem. Very cool game. The only complaint I have is that it's very repetitive with the music, but it's a cool tune, but it's a little bit annoying when it's just keep on drags on. Yeah, so let's keep on. The graphics does its jobs, I must say. Oj, caramba. Sloppy of me there. Oh, the key is up here. 14 seconds to go. No problem, we'll make it. There you go, yes. So it was sloppy to lose a life there, but never mind. Like I said, I'm rookie to this game. So now we have two of these yellow dudes. No problem. There you go. Oh shit. Oh, so the key is down there to the right. Okay, let's jump down here. Oi, oi, oi. I managed it. Cool. Yeah, it's a very, very addictive game here. Okay, so now let's see here. I think these green dudes will jump around here. Another dimension of difficulty here. Let's fill up everything down here first. Keep on going here. There's the key. Oh shit. There you go, yes. Stage 7 now. So I will just keep on playing until I'm game over. And that will be it for this video. So I'm happy. Whee! Whee! 36, shit. Let's go here, over here. Oh, caramba! I was protected there, cool! Okay, so now the key is over here, okay? Wait for it. There you go, yes. Oh shit! No, I will not make it. Damn it. Ah. Did I lose 2 lives there? Shit! That was not good, but never mind. Last life now. Wow. Yeah, that was sloppy of me, but never mind. What can I do? Yeah, this is super cool, this game actually, I must say. Oh shit, I cannot get up there. Oh my god. This is getting super tough now actually. Okay, now I got it. And protection, thank you. Wait for the skeleton here. Oh shit. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, I was protected there. Oh my god. I will not make this one. I have only 15 seconds to go. There are too much ground to fill up. 8 seconds. Ay caramba. Game over. Yes, super cool game, super cool game. This one. It's very, very addictive game. So I'm really pleased with what I have witnessed and played here. So Night on the Commodore 64 is a cool game. I strongly recommend it. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. The only complaint I have is the music. It can get on your nerves because it just drags on with the same tune. But apart from that, it's a very cool game. So there you go. That was Night. Cool game. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good one. Goodbye.